Welcome back to my channel, and we're solving Natas challenge here from Over the Wire. So in my previous video, we have fetched the password for Natas 5. So let's go and try to log into Natas 5 first and see if we can obtain the password for Natas 6. Okay, Natas 5, and then that's the password. Okay, it says that access disallowed, you are not logged in. So somehow we have logged in, but it's saying that we are not logged in. So let's try to analyze the view source once. Mm, okay, I can't find anything relevant or anything which seems to be important over here. So we can try to capture this request in the perp suite and see if we have any hint over there. So let's do that. Uh, let's refresh this and forward. That's it. Let's check the HTTP proxy. So, where's Native 5? Okay, there you go. There we have Native 5 over here. Let's send this request to repeater and see the response. Okay. Uh, okay, I can see one thing over here, which is logged in is equal to 0. I think this might be the reason why it says that we are not logged in. So okay, this is a part of set cookie which is set as locked in equal to 0. So let's do one thing. Let's see if there is a server-side validation for this uh, particular cookie. So if you want a header, you just add, for example, I'm trying to add cookie, I'm adding this, and then I will say logged in is equal to 1. Okay, and I'll send this request. Okay, it says 200. Okay, let's see. Beautiful. So we have got the password for Native 6 as well. In order to see this on the web browser, what we can do is let's open the proxy. Intercept is on. Refresh this page. Capture this, and we change the cookie logged in equal to 1 over here. Okay, let's forward this. Great. Now we have obtained the password for Native 6 as well. And we'll do the same thing which we are doing. We're saving it on a Word file because all the levels are interlinked so that we don't have to go back and like do these challenges again. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.